Hey, my name's James Neville-Taylor, and since trying to take my own life back in 2017, I've become a top 1% earner online. But more importantly, I've helped hundreds of others make hundreds of thousands online and make their very first sales online ever, even after trying for years. And if you're watching this right now, then I know you're looking for something different, something that works. And back in 2017, after I took an overdose, I jumped into the digital world with both feet. I saw so much hype, so many scams, and so many false promises. It made me sick. I fell prey to a few, wasting my money on things that didn't work, wasting money I didn't have on things I thought were going to bring results, but then never did. Maybe you have too. Let's face it, if you're watching this video right now, this probably isn't your first rodeo. And I want to set the record straight right now and tell you that it's not your fault. There's so many vultures out there waiting for some unsuspecting newbies to come along with hope in their hearts and a handful of cash. It makes me sick. And that's why I've dedicated my time and energy to helping as many people as possible make their first dollars online and beyond. And that is why I put together this system and training together for free. What most people would charge you hundreds of dollars for, I'm giving you for free. The system, the emails, the training, all of it at the end of a few simple steps. And this is the first step. All you need to do is fill in the paperwork, enter a few variables, collect your commissions. It really is that simple. And it's absolutely perfect for newbies, as there is more in here for free than most people charge $1,000 for. Seriously. The question now is, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe that you can do this? Are you an action taker or an excuse maker? I don't think you would be here if it was the latter. So please click the button below to get started, and I will see you in the next step.